Northwest Bowling practices and plays at Westside Lanes.
I have been bowling for, I think, 11 years.
I have been coaching for probably about 10 years now.
We practice Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I wanted to join bowling because it was like a different sport that not a lot of people did, and my dad really got me into it and I fell in love with it.
I enjoy the kids. You get different varieties every time, and I've known a lot of these kids from juniors bowling, so they've grown up with me and being around.
My favorite part of bowling is definitely the van rides up to the competitions. It's a lot of fun, and the girls like talk about like random things, and we don't have to deal with the annoying boys on the van.
The Unified Bowling season goes from October through December.
Unified is different for practices because on Fridays I don't usually practice, and I usually help Delaney with the ramp.
You don't really have a point system. It's more for the kids and the athletes to get joy out of bowling, and high school is a little bit more competitive.
Like any other sport, team plus personal goals are important.
A personal goal for the season is to make it to individual and team state this year again.
The girls is going to be a rebuilding because we lost like 3 or 4 seniors last year, so we're rebuilding the girls team. The boys team, I'm hoping they take state this year because they have the team that could possibly do it, so hopefully we'll take the boys state this year.
Good luck to the Unified Bowling team on December 2nd.